button and then
I
click
cannot
on
see
the
it.
raise your hand. Yeah, there's a place on the right side where you can put your hand up. I want to see if you can click on that button and then.
Which button?
Okay, so
I
who's
don't know
us?
which button.
All right, Gareth, let me help you out. Gareth, can you see some at the bottom of the screen? Can you see some pictures and some things at the bottom?
Here? Yes.
Okay. Can you read some of them to me? What do they say? What does one of them say? Do you see a picture of a camera?
Yes.
Do you see a picture of a microphone?
Yes.
Do you see a picture of some people?
Yes. Yeah.
Good. I want you to click, and actually I want everyone to click the picture of the people. And then it says something on the right side about put your hand up.
I don't have.
Okay.
I don't have two.
Okay, Gareth.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. Who sees it?
I don't.
Oh, great.
I already raised my hand.
All right. Okay, Ken. Thank you, Ken. Ken, you see it, do you?
Yes.
Raised hand. Okay. Can you click the button? Push the button and let me see if it works. Raised hand. Okay. Let's see if it works. And if it does, then you're my expert. Okay. Maybe, all right? Okay. So maybe what I could do a screen, I could do a screen screen share. Let me share the screen for you.
I don't have the people.
Okay. Can we see it? Oh, you don't have the people. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait on. Now we've got two experts now.
It's just one people.
Okay. All right. Let me see if I.
People. It's okay. Emily and me.
Emily and Ken are my experts. Okay, Ken, could you try first of all to tell Gareth and Adam and Ethan?
I already find it.
You did. Let's see the hand up. Keep the hand up.
It's
okay.
Just one people.
Yeah, okay. Oh, just one person. Okay. Ken, how do you explain to Gareth what he needs to do?
Do you see now when you push the people button on the bottom, you will see two words. The first one is stop the sound, and the second one is put your hand up.
Keep your hand up there, Ethan. Push the button again, please, Ethan. Yep.
Okay.
Keep it up. Thank you.
Excellent. I already found it now.
Excellent. That's good. Give it a push, Gareth. Let's have a look. You too, Adam. Did you find it? If not,
yes.
Oh, there you go. Good. Keep it up there, Ethan. That's fantastic. And let's help Adam out. If we can solve problems, that's good. I don't want you to give up, though. Okay? All right. So, Emily, could you explain to Adam how he can raise his hand? What he can do?
You first... you can talk, but you put it and you cannot talk. You talk and somebody cannot hear it.
Oh, okay. That's the first one. Yeah, that's the first button.
Next.
And the button, okay, that's the one on the left. So if you want to stop talking, you can turn that off or you can turn it on. Okay, and the next one, Emily, yeah, that's good.
Is if you put it and somebody cannot see you.
That's the camera button. Turn your camera off and on. Okay, that's good.
You put it and you see the things that you can do.
Good. So Adam, let me talk to you, Adam. Adam, what buttons do you see along the bottom of your screen?
Yes.
What do they say? What do they look like?
They look like...
You see a microphone? Okay, Adam?
Yes.
Do you see a green one that's called share at the bottom of your screen? It's green.
Yes, I saw it.
Good. Okay, Ken, let's do with you. Ken, could you click the green button?
Okay.
And let's have a look at what you can see on your screen, and we're all going to look together.
screen, whiteboard, and many other stuff.
Good, just screen, no whiteboard. Only screen. Click on that once for me, please. And we'll have a look. And I'll turn it off if I can. Okay, wonderful. Oh, this is great. Let's have a look. Okay, good. Can you show me, can I see where you're talking to people? Is that possible to show me?
What?
Okay, can you see the controls?
What? What
Okay.
control?
Okay, all right. Let me have a look. Okay, that's all right. Screen, all right. Let me, okay. Can I get you to turn it off? I'll get you to turn it off for once. Turn off your screen, please, for a minute. Okay, who's that? Ken. Ken, thank you, Ken. Wonderful, okay. And this is back to my screen. All right, anyway, what you can do, thank you, you can lower your hand, Emily. We can sort that out and maybe figure it out as we go. Let's have a talk, and if you have some questions, I think we'll be able to work them out. Okay, Emily, put your hand down for once. Okay, when
What?
do you see your button that you use to put your hand up? You can click it to put your hand down. Okay,
What?
there we go. There we go. Look, I'll do it. Oh, I've already done it. That's good. Okay, guys, I'm going to ask you just a couple of questions. Nothing hard, but maybe some questions about me, and then I'll get you to just introduce yourself. Okay? If you have a question, if you don't hear me or you want me to ask you, say it again. You can just say pardon. Okay, pardon, or I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Pardon. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll repeat it for you, no problem. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about myself. Can everyone see the map?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay.
Where do you live?
All right, that's my question to you. I'm going to ask first of all, Adam. Okay. Oh, there are two questions. One is, where do I come from and where do I live? So first of all, which country do I come from, Adam? You get a guess each. I have to think of a prize for these things. Yeah. Like a new car.
Do you have a clue?
Have a guess. Have a guess. Well, it's somewhere in the world. What's your guess?
I think it's in
Where? Okay, I'll let Emily go first, perhaps. Thanks, Ethan. I got your hand up. Yep. Emily, would you like to have a guess? What country?
I think I know. It's the United States.
That was a good guess, but no.
I think
Whoa. Ethan's next. Okay, we're going to cycle through. Thanks, Ethan.
I think America. They're in America.
No. The United States is the same. That's America. What about you, Gareth? What country?
Australia.
That's perfect. Yes, you're right. You know, I've taught this class to other people, and they said Canada, and they said Russia, everywhere but Australia.
Do you know why I know Australia?
No, I don't. Why, Gareth?
Because my uncle lives in Australia, and their people look like you people, and I know.
Okay. So you have an advantage. All right, tougher question. Ken, where do I live?
Is it in England?
No.
Or is it in other places in Europe?
No. Well, that was kind of two guesses, but no. Okay. No, and I don't live in Australia or America. Okay, so let's go back up my list, and I'm going to ask Adam, where do I live?
Canada.
Whereabouts?
Canada.
Canada. No.
China.
Okay, well done. Emily? China, no.
No, China.
No. Where, Emily? Where do I live?
Brazil.
No. Okay, Nathan? It's a tough one, isn't it?
Russia.
No.
I think you live in cold place because you cut all of your.
Oh, so you're kind of being a scientist. You're guessing because you have some kind of some kind of hints. Okay, which country? Are there any countries? India. No, I went there a couple of weeks ago. It was really nice, but I didn't. No. Okay.
Went there a couple of weeks ago, then you must live near there.
Not necessarily. It could have been a long trip.
Egypt.
No. Egypt. Gotta find Egypt. Okay, we're around here. No. Okay, Ken. Greenland, no.
Europe. Greenland is no.
Okay. Ethan's got his hand up, so I'll ask Ethan. All right, Ethan.
Europe.
No, we had Europe. Nowhere in Europe. No. Okay, and not in Africa.
India.
And we said India, not in India, and not in Kazakhstan. And where else is there left? Not in Papua New Guinea. Not in Alaska. That's part of America too. Not in New Zealand.
What?
Not in Madagascar.
What?
Not in Sweden or any of those countries.
Antarctica.
No. Nope. I live in Japan.
Oh. I want to say it.
What is it? So I used to live a long time ago.
I don't like Japan people because they fight with Chinese people.
Yeah,
I like Japan people.
Yeah, I don't think we should fight. I don't think that's okay. I've been in Japan for 30 years.
But now they are good because they give us snacks.
Well, I think it's important that we all get along. Yeah. Okay. So I live in Japan and I've been here for kind of a long time. Okay. And I teach at an international school in Tokyo. Okay. Let's just quickly talk about ourselves. I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Okay, Adam, tell me one interesting thing about yourself. Or something you want to do online, or something you want to learn. Okay, I can come back to you if you like. Is it okay? I'll come back. Can I ask Ethan? Hey, Ethan, I can't see your face. There we are. Ethan, what's something about yourself? What do you like to do?
Play basketball.
Good. Okay. We'll move on to Gareth. Gareth, what about you? What do you like to do?
I don't know.
Okay. Maybe you'll remember in a minute.
But I have an interesting.
Yes. What are you interested in?
Interesting thing to tell you.
Okay. Please do.
My mom wanted to born me in America.
Oh, really?
My mom too. When I'm
7 years old. Okay.
Fifth grade. But my dad said, so my mom has 3 little children.
Okay. Right. Okay. Good. Ken, what's something interesting about you? Or something you like to do? Or something you want to learn? Okay, Ken, your microphone's off. I'm going to unmute you. Click on your microphone down below. Yeah, there's a button on the left side. There you go. I can hear you now.
Okay.
Great.
I like to do many things, like playing and
Okay.
learning stuff.
Good. Like to learn. Great. Okay. Emily, how you doing? You're disappearing. You're down the bottom of the screen. You shrank. Or your camera moved. Maybe. Oh, there you go. Good. Fantastic. Oh, that's
I
nice.
have a question.
Wonderful. Okay, let's hear Emily, and then we'll go on. Yes, Emily.
Subject is math.
Math. Okay. Ken's just turned his camera off. So Ken, if you find the button, you could turn your camera on again. There we go. Good. So you guys are learning, I guess,
have a
lots of things.
question.
Certainly, Gareth. Yep.
Why you have an iPhone? No, thing is on your ear.
Why do I have, sorry? What was the question?
Yes, she's nice. He's nice.
Okay. Sorry, could you say that again? Actually, Gareth, do you see down the bottom of the screen, do you see a button that lets you chat? It looks like a talking mark.
Yeah.
Do you see that? If you click on that, actually any of you, anytime, can ask me a question, okay? Anytime you click on that button down the bottom. Emily, yes?
Okay. My mom lived in Australia 10 years and I'm born in Australia.
Are you serious? Wow. Oh, that's great. Wow, that's fantastic. In Australia, we often say g'day, or today is to die. To die is today. That's great. Wonderful. That's fantastic. Good. So, okay, Gareth, you've got it all figured out? Do you have a question? You're okay?
I says
Yes.
your ear have a thing. Why you need that?
Oh, on here, headphones.
Yes.
These headphones just make it easier for me to hear. And also, if I've got a speaker, you can't hear some other outside noise. I have a little dog, and he's getting a haircut now, so he's not here right now. But maybe he'll be back later. So sometimes he makes a bit of noise. So I'll introduce him. Okay. Anyone else?
But it's not here now. And
Oh.
I have another place. To
Okay.
see the little dog.
Great.
I have two dogs.
Two dogs, Ethan. What about you, Adam? Do you have any pets?
Two puppies.
Any pets, Adam? No?
I don't have.
Okay. What about Emily? Any pets?
My hand is hurt. No.
Oh, okay.
Two dogs.
No.
Dogs.
Because
Okay.
we are twins. We are in the same.
All right.
we are in
Ken,
the same
click on the view screen. Yeah, let's that's Ken, I think, is it?
Yeah.
Ken, can you click on oh, okay, you're gonna draw your dog, are you? It looks like that.
No.
Two dogs. One dog. Two dogs. No? Okay.
Not dog. I did not draw a dog. I don't have a dog.
Okay. Thanks, Ken. Ken, can you turn off the share for a minute, please? So click on that share button again, turn it off. There we go. We're back to normal. I'm going to share with you. We're going to talk about the story today. We're going to talk about, I wanted to study about the weather for a couple of classes.
The winter.
Weather. What's the weather today where you are?
Let me see.
I'm going to ask Ken first. What's the weather where you are? Oh, you're going to go check. Okay. What, Emily, what's the weather where you are? Do you know? I'm coming back to you, Ken. Haven't forgotten.
Yeah, a sunny day.
It's a sunny day. Okay.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Okay, good. That's a really good weather report. Any clouds in the sky?
Nope.
It's sun.
It's just sunny. Clear sky. Wonderful. What's the weather where you are, Ken? I want a weather report.
Sunny and a little bit cold here.
Okay, sunny, a little cold in, where are you? What's the location?
I am in Shenzhen.
Shenzhen. Okay, fantastic. Gareth, can I have a weather report, please?
It's like camp, but I can go out to catch fish.
Okay. You saw outside the window, did you? Did you have a look outside and see what the weather is like? Does it look like it's raining or cloudy or sunny, or is there a storm?
It's sunny.
Sunny. Okay.
Yes, it's sunny. I'll
Great.
go to Codfish.
Okay. And where are you? Gareth, where are you in China? What's your location? Just a minute. Ken. Okay. Ethan, what's the weather report? Where are you? What's the weather like there?
That's Emily. Oh, so like Emily, because we are in the same home.
Oh, okay, okay. Are you brother and sister? You're in the same home.
We are twins. I'm just bigger than him for a minute.
Emily.
Yes.
Emily, is that right? You're not husband and wife? No. Brother and sister?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
The same mom and the same dad.
Oh, wow. So, Ethan, you know a bit about Australia too, right? Like a lot about Australia.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
My mom took us to Australia to play. And,
Good.
And someone called Mr. Stanley, he died, and then so he's 93 years old.
Whoa, okay. So I want to hear, actually, certainly the next couple of lessons, I want to hear about your stories about experiences about Australia. So, okay, sunny we've got. Thank you. Adam, what's the weather like where you are?
Sunny.
It's sunny and warm. Okay. So I'm in Tokyo and not so far away. And at the moment it's raining. So it's wet outside. Very cloudy. And we've, I think the rain stopped, but it's still a bit wet outside. All right. So, what does the weather mean? Gareth? Oh, sorry. You had something to say, did you, Ken? You patiently had your hand up. What does weather mean? What is weather?
Weather means how it is where the place we are, the weather in the sky.
Good. Okay. What about you, Emily? What do you say? What is weather for you? If someone asks you a question about what is weather, what would you tell them?
Like maybe your weather is something that is cold or hot.
Okay. So yeah, and it can change, right? Don't you think, Ethan? It could change, and Gareth, it changes. Depends on where you are. So it's, I say for science.
Everywhere's weather are not the same.
Yeah, that's right.
Sometimes the weather will be windy. Sometimes it will be like strong wind. Sometimes
That's right.
it will be like rain. Sometimes not rain Sunday.
Absolutely. So Adam, did you want to add to the definition of weather?
Yes.
What's weather?
Sunny.
Okay. So I'm going to say it's the condition of the air, and I'll show you maybe in another lesson. I can show you on the screen, but we could look at the words. But it's the condition of the air at a certain time in a certain place. So it always changes. So the air can be wet, the air can be moving. That's when we have wind. The air can be pushed together in a tight space, or it can be spread out, and that gives us lots of clouds or rain or sunshine. Yep. Or sometimes snow too. Okay. So weather's always changing. I used to live where I lived in Australia. It was always constantly, it was like winter in the morning, and sometimes it was like summer in the afternoon. It changed a lot. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look at a book, if that's all right. Okay. I'm going to share something, and we'll go through it and we'll read a little bit together. And if you want to stop and talk about some parts, I think that's really important to talk about it and understand it. Okay? Any questions so far? You're all okay? Good. Okay, so let me share. And I'm going to go back to this. And can everyone see the book for where they are?
Yes.
It's okay? Good. All right, so it says the weather. And I'm going to I'll just have a look through. Whenever you get a book like this, it's really good to have a look through. Just flick through the book and just to sort of see if there are any words that you don't know. I always tell my students, count to 100. Count 100 words and use my you see my 5 fingers? 5-finger rule. So if you have 100 words and there's one word I don't know, that's -1. And one other word I don't know, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I get 5 words I don't know from 100, that book's too hard. And if I get no books, if it's all just, there no mistake, no problems, I know all the words, then that book is too easy. So what we want is a kind of a book in between, okay? Kind of like Goldilocks. Do you know what Goldilocks is, Emily?
Yeah. I
Okay.
don't know.
Who doesn't know the story of Goldilocks? So let me go through and check. Adam, do you know Goldilocks? Does that make any sense to you? Girl
Yes.
called Goldilocks. She went into the forest and she found a cabin where the bears lived.
Bears.
Do you know that story? Emily, do you know the Goldilocks story?
Goldilocks.
Yes.
And the three
You do.
little bears.
Okay. Ethan, do you know about Goldilocks? You do? Good, good. Gareth, what about you?
I forgot, but I know.
Okay, you've heard of it. And Ken, do you know?
I know.
Okay, good. So basically the idea with Goldilocks is that Goldilocks, kind of found things that just
This is in Rescue.
there we go. There it is. Yeah. So Gareth, we can have a look at that.
My Rescue is in K.
Okay, that's right. It's a K level. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, let's have a look at this story together. The weather. And I want you to keep your hands, you can keep your hands off your keyboard. Okay? And I'll read it to you. Let me get someone to read it first of all for me. Emily, actually Adam, we'll start with Adam. Could you read the first page for me, please?
Weather is all around us.
Good.
Weather changes all time. All the time.
Good. Do you understand that, Adam? It's okay, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So weather's all around us and it changes all the time. It doesn't stay the same. It changes. So it might change in the afternoon. Ethan's got a question. Yes, Ethan?
I will read the next page I want.
Thank you. I like your enthusiasm, Ethan. Excellent. Okay.
The weather can be hot. The weather can be warm.
Next page, me.
Okay. Just a minute. So I see up the top here, we can see a couple things. We can see this, a thermometer. Okay. So when water's boiling, okay, we put it on the stove, it's boiling. What temperature is it going to be, do you think, Emily?
It is 35.
Okay. What about in degrees Celsius?
I know.
Okay. We'll ask it. Okay. Anyone got any ideas?
I've got an idea.
Okay. Can you tell me?
Yes, it's when the degree Celsius come to 100, which
Good.
is 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils.
Yep, water boils at 100. I'm trying to write 100 here, so we can do it here. It's 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, degrees Celsius to when it's boiling, and water freezes and it also melts at 0 degrees. So that's kind of easy to remember. Water melts when it's 0 and it starts boiling when it's 100. Okay. All right. Who was my volunteer to read next? Was it you, Ethan?
It was me.
Okay, you can begin. Yep.
Okay, what's the
Thanks,
next?
Ken. Yep. Ken. Okay. Let me do to the next. Go.
The weather can be cool. The weather can be cold.
Good. Thank you. Do you understand the difference between that, everyone? What about you, Gareth? What's the difference between cool and cold?
Cool is a little bit cold, and cold is very cold.
Good. That's right.
And water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. Good. You guys remember this. That's great. Yeah, and basically cool for science is cool means no heat. When things are not hot, there's no heat, things are cool or cold. So that means that the heat is gone. Okay. Ethan, can I get you to read? Have you read yet for me? No. Can you read this? Can you read this paragraph?
Some days the water is clear. Some days the sky had clouds.
Okay, so here we have a clear sky, no clouds, and here we have a cloudy sky. Emily, would you say that you have a clear sky today? You said it's kind of sunny. Is it clear or cloudy?
Yes, clear. Still a little bit.
Okay, clear sky. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the clouds. What are the clouds made of, Gareth?
Wow.
No hints everywhere. I have to turn you mute. Yeah. What are the clouds? What are they made of? Do you think? You're looking it up.
I cannot see
Research.
the book. Yeah. I cannot see the book.
Okay. All right. So, did your screen go off? Okay. Who has trouble seeing the book?
I don't see the book.
Okay. So what's your first name?
What?
Okay. Ken, can you see the book?
Yes.
Good. Gareth, can you see? Oh, you can't see his book. Okay.
I cannot see.
Okay. Can you see the computer screen? Can you see me?
Yes.
You do. Can you see the book that we're reading? The one that says some days the weather is clear?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. So you might have, that's interesting. I might have to stop the sharing and start it again. Okay. Well, do that. While I do the stop the sharing, can I ask try it again. This might help.
I can see it now.
Good. Okay. Sometimes that happens with Zoom. I'm not sure why. But so any ideas? What are clouds made from? Emily?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fair enough. Adam?
Yes.
What are clouds made from?
They make.
I know what our clouds made.
Wait on, Gareth.
I know.
Just a minute.
Water.
Oh, water. That's right. They're made of water.
Explain it. Okay. Let me explain it.
Okay. Yes, please. That's Emily.
I know.
Let me explain it.
They in the water like the sea and they roll off, and then in the sky they got to like.
Okay, so you know a little bit about the water cycle. So water evaporates. Do you know what that word means?
No.
It disappears. Yeah. So if you have some water outside, it's a sunny day, then it's going to disappear. It's going to go into the air. And what happens is sometimes it's clouds, but usually it sticks onto some dust or something in the air. And yeah, that's called condensation. That's a little bit more difficult for you, but yeah, it's basically just water. It's water in the air. Okay.
Can we go on?
We can go on, yeah. Who'd like to read this one? Emily. Okay, quick on the buzzer. All right, Emily.
It's
where you go?
Air. Wind can blow softly. Wind can blow hard too.
Okay, is that okay? So wind blows from, air can be squished into a very tight space, or it can be spread out. And if it's in a tight space, okay, it can get really hot.
I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Someone lost you can or you can't?
I can.
Cannot. That's you, Gareth, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me change the page. I'll stop sharing. I'll start again. Let's try this.
What does that mean?
Okay. How's that?
Dr. D.
Is it okay? Good. Okay. Gareth, can you read this to me, please?
Weathers can bring rain. Weathers can bring snow too.
Is that okay? Okay. So rain. So rain can fall from the sky. If we have lots of clouds and the water builds up, then the water can fall. And if it's cold enough, that water can freeze and it can make snow. Okay. Adam, could you read this? Is that okay? Could you read this?
Sometimes weather brings storms. Some storms bring
Good. Lightning.
and thunder.
Very good. Yeah, storms, right? So this is a storm. Lightning is what you see here, and thunder is the sound, that sound that thunder makes. And if you listen to the thunder, if you count how many times, the time, how many seconds between the thunder, you can find out if the storm's coming closer or if it's moving further away. How are you, Ken? Are you there?
Yes.
Did you fall on the floor?
No.
Because you were shocked by this amazing fact? No? Okay. Let's try the next one. All right. Who has anyone not read yet? I think that's everyone. Emily, could you have another try? Let me hear you read this, please.
Easy. The weather changes with the season. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. What is the weather like today?
Good. So you've already told me. So these are the different seasons. What season is it now, Ken? In China. What's the season?
Spring.
Spring. You think? Okay. Yep, that's right. So we finished winter and spring, and then next is going to be summer. Okay. All right. So that we have each of these different seasons where that we go through this. This is the order. This is the cycle. Okay. Good. Any questions?
Nothing.
No. Okay. Let me have a quick look at another one. Maybe I could read one to you. Okay. Try to keep your hands off your screen a little bit if you can, because otherwise we're going to be drawing in the same place. Okay. Okay. So this is the weather. I might do this.
Loading.
Okay. Here we are. I'm going to fly through the pages, right? So keep your hands off the screen if you can. The weather. Oh, sorry. This is not the one I want. I'll go back. Okay. So weather changes. What's the difference between the weather and the climate, though? Any ideas?
No.
You know the word climate, right?
Yes.
Okay. So someone's just added the, so if you wrote that on the screen, can you erase it for me? Can you take that off? Do you do it? Good. Do it again. One more time. You're nearly there. You've got 2 lines to get rid of. Okay. We okay? Let me try to have a look at this. Okay. All right. Did anyone find the eraser? Let me see if I can erase it.
I saw the eraser.
Okay. Can everyone have a try? Let's try to rub these lines off. Do you know where the eraser is? It's over here. Not working for anyone. Okay. No. That's a pen. That's a pen. Okay. All right. Well, what we can do here, I'm going to go through. I'm going to read a story for you, I think. I want you to choose a pen. And
Teacher.
Yes. Dr. D. Yep.
I know where is the eraser.
Thank you. Could you tell us where it is, Ken?
It is here. Just above the wrong eraser you just.
That's right. Yep. This one here, right?
No, this one.
Okay. Okay. Oh, for return. Right. Okay. My screen is okay. So what I'm going to do, what we do, if you choose a pen color, everyone, let's choose a pen. Let's do this. Who wants to be blue? Actually, let me.
Me.
Okay. Just put a hand up, please, if you can. Blue. Adam. Yellow. No. No one. Okay. Yellow. Purple. Okay. Emily. Green.
I want to be yellow.
Okay. Thanks, Gareth. What about red? Do you want to be red, Ken? Sound good to you?
No, I want to be orange.
Good. Ethan, red?
No, blue.
Okay. Is someone already blue? Maybe.
Me.
Okay.
I am
Blue's-
already blue.
Okay. Well, okay. So let's, could you today, Ethan, could you be red for me and I'll get you to be blue next time. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, good deal. Thank you. So I'm going to go through and read it. And if you see a word that you don't understand, I want you to circle it for me, okay? All right. What is a hurricane?
I cannot circle it on your board.
Oh, sorry, you can't. You can you circle it on your own board, though?
No.
I don't have my own board.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So let me go through and read it, and we'll just see at the end if you got some question for a word you don't understand. So what is a hurricane? Imagine you're near the ocean. It's very stormy outside and the waves are huge. Is that a hurricane? It might be. A hurricane is a very big storm. Storms form over an ocean. Then they might move over the land near an ocean. Hurricane weather includes strong wind and heavy rain. Ocean waves are very large during a hurricane. Okay, any questions there, guys? Ethan, it's okay?
Yes.
We call these actually, instead of hurricane, we call them a typhoon in Japan.
Typhoon.
Typhoon, yeah. Have you heard that word before? Typhoon?
Yes, I know that. Typhoon.
Good. Yeah, so we have typhoons. Hurricanes, they were talking about hurricanes in the United States, okay? And where we are near the Pacific, we talk about typhoons. And if the storms, big storms start in the Indian Ocean, we call them cyclones, really strong winds, okay? All right, floods. Hurricanes drop a lot of rain from the sky to the ground. Hurricanes also make big waves in the oceans. Big waves bring a lot of water from the ocean onto the land. Between the rain and waves, this extra water can cause floods. Water covers places that are usually dry. Is that okay with everyone? Any questions about that?
No.
I'm not going to do the whole book because we're actually out of time today. Do you guys know any jokes?
No.
You don't? Okay.
I know some jokes.
You do?
Many
Okay. All right. I want to hear one next time if I can, and I'll try to think of a good one for you. Okay. Got that? So that's a little bit of homework for you. If you can think of a joke in English, of course.
I
Hang on.
know
Don't.
many English and Chinese.
Excellent.
jokes.
Choose your best one, Gareth, for next time. I'm going to stop sharing for a minute so I can see everyone's face, and then I'll share one with you. Okay. All right. So I'm also going to send you a book. And Ken, can you turn off your screen share, please, for a minute?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, you have a question? Your hands up, Ken. What would you like to ask?
Nothing.
Okay, just practicing, huh? Okay. Okay, so think about that. And I'm going to send you a book. Sorry, Gareth? Yes?
Next time is you too.
That's right, Thursday. Are you okay with that, Gareth?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Okay, turn off your screen for a minute, Ken. There we go.
I
Ken,
just want to.
Yeah, I think you've got a lot of control of this, Ken.
I just want to erase the things I write on the whiteboard.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Okay, so Ethan, how are you doing? I want you to give me a score about how you feel today.
Good.
You're good? Okay, well, just comment. How are you feeling, Ken? You okay? You good?
Yay!
Good. Okay, we need to do some stretching next time. Gareth, how are you doing today?
Good.
You're doing well? Okay, and Adam?
Yes. A
Thank
little
you.
bit not well because my head is hurt.
Oh, okay, you take care of yourself, okay? I think everyone is, not so great right now. Okay, Adam, you're okay? Good. Okay, and Emily, how are you doing?
Good.
Very good. Okay,
Good.
wonderful. So just remember, wait on Ken, don't go away yet. Try to think of a joke for me, and I'll try to come up with, I'll try to choose some.
Okay, a fun joke.
And a fun joke, a funny joke. And I'm going to send you a book, And I guess someone's going to tell you how you could read that book. And then I want you to tell me next time what you think of it and how, if it's pretty hard, if you liked it. And like Goldilocks, we're going to try to find the right level for you. Okay? Not too hard, not too easy, but something that's really interesting for you and gives you a chance to read. Okay? Any quick questions before we go, before we say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay, you say goodbye then. Okay. Goodbye. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Hope you feel better, Gareth. Bye-bye.
拜拜，拜拜，小朋友们。
Bye bye everyone.
Bye. Bye, Charlie.